Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best iPad Air 2 screen kit is probably one of the most cost-effective ways to repair your cracked or damaged screen, saving you a significant amount of money compared to professional repair shops. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing the right kit, including essential tools, screen quality, and the repair process itself, ensuring a successful and smooth screen replacement experience. Number 5. MMOBIEL iPad Air Digitizer. This is the all-in-one solution for repairing your iPad Air's touchscreen. It's designed for easy installation and comes with everything you need. It features real glass for a smooth, responsive touch. Plus, it supports the smart sleep-wake function, just like the original. Installation is a breeze. It comes with pre-installed components and a detailed manual, so you won't need to transfer anything from your old digitizer. Make sure it's the right fit for your device. Check the model number on the back of your iPad Air to ensure compatibility with A1474, A1475, or A1476. Everything you need is included: a professional toolkit with tweezers, a cleaning cloth, suction cups, and more. It's ready to go. MMOBIEL is committed to exceeding your expectations. Join our satisfied customers and experience the difference. What we like. It's a complete kit with everything you need for a smooth repair. The pre-installed components and detailed manual make installation a breeze. If you value convenience and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. AMind iPad Air First Gen Screen. It's designed for the iPad Air first generation, models A1474, A1475, and A1476. Double-check your model number before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. This replacement screen resolves various display problems, such as dead pixels, unresponsive touch, and color inaccuracies. It's a comprehensive solution for a broken screen. The package contains the LCD and touchscreen digitizer, a handy toolkit, double-sided tape, and a screen protector. Everything you need for the repair is included. While it's a DIY repair, prior experience is recommended. Watch online tutorials before starting, as damaged parts during installation are not returnable. We offer a 6-month warranty against defects. Contact us through Amazon Messages if you have any questions or encounter problems during installation or after receiving the package. Upon delivery, inspect the package for any cracks. If found, take a picture and contact our service team immediately for assistance. What we like. This kit provides separate LCD and digitizer for more precise repairs. It comes with a comprehensive tool kit and a screen protector. If you need a reliable replacement with solid after-sales support, this is for you. What people say. Replacement was received in 2 days and works perfectly. Vendor replaced defective screen promptly. Number 3. iPad Air 2 LCD Screen. Is your iPad Air 2 screen cracked or damaged? This replacement screen is here to help. It's a perfect fit for your device and will restore it to its former glory. Enjoy the vibrant colors and sharp details of the 9.7-inch Retina display. It's the same size and resolution as your original screen, ensuring a seamless experience. Replacing it is relatively easy, but it requires precision. We recommend professional installation to avoid damaging this delicate component. Your package includes everything you need: the replacement screen, tempered glass protector, opening tools, and adhesive tape for a complete repair. We thoroughly test each screen before shipping and offer a 6-month warranty for your peace of mind. Contact us if you have any issues. Double-check your iPad Air 2 model number before ordering to ensure compatibility. This screen is designed for specific models. What we like. It boasts an easy installation process, despite requiring precision. The added tempered glass provides extra protection. If you need quick support and prefer a straightforward repair, this is a great option. Number 2. iPad Air First Gen Touch Screen. Don't let a cracked screen ruin your iPad experience. This replacement part is here to help. It's designed for easy installation. This isn't just a screen, it comes with everything you need for a smooth repair. The adhesive, camera bracket, and home button are already installed. It's specifically designed for the first-generation iPad Air, models A1474, A1475, A1476. Double-check your model number before ordering. We've included a professional toolkit to make the repair process even easier. Everything you need is right here in one package. We're here to help every step of the way. Enjoy a 6-month warranty and our dedicated customer support team. Bring your iPad back to its former glory with this simple, high-quality replacement. Order yours today. What we like. This option simplifies the installation process with pre-installed adhesive, camera bracket, and home button. It also includes high-quality tools. If you want a hassle-free repair with reliable parts, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy perfect fit. Came with very good tool kit and the leads already attached in place as well as adhesive stickers. Saved me at least an hour by having the adhesive, power button, and 2 other connectors pre-installed. This is a great product that resurrected my iPad Air 1st Gen. Easy to follow instructions and available YouTube video. From opening it you could see it was quality. 1 sticky tape already there on it. No mucking about DIY and stuck down no problem. 2 home button and camera mount already installed and are solid. Awesome. 3 can't see the hairline wires in the screen like the other cheaper one. 4 screen feels nicer when you slide finger over it. Number 1. FeiyueTech iPad Air 1 screen. Is your iPad Air 1 screen cracked or unresponsive? This replacement kit makes repairing it easy and affordable. It's a complete solution for a perfect fix. It includes everything you need: a new screen, home button, camera bracket, and pre-installed adhesive. No need to source parts separately. The kit comes with a high-quality tool kit to help you safely open your iPad and install the new screen. It's designed for a smooth DIY repair. This screen is compatible with iPad Air 1st generation models A1474, A1475, and A1476. Double-check your model number before ordering. Get a flawless, responsive screen again. This high-quality replacement will restore your iPad Air 1 to its former glory. Online resources are available for installation help. What we like. It's a complete assembly with pre-installed components, making installation quick and easy. If you prioritize a straightforward and efficient repair, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The screen adhered to the iPad very well except for one small spot in the middle on the right side, but that may be from some of the old adhesive that was missed or some dust. The screen protector was a nice addition to the kit. All of the necessary tools were included in the kit and worked very well. The actual install of the new glass is quite easily accomplished. The tools were adequate, though I wish there was a guide for which tool does what. So far there are no issues with functionality and the screen seemed to be very durable during the install. The pre-installed adhesive is a big time saver and makes things much easier. It seems to be good quality and I have not had any issues with lifting. The tools are fine, nothing spectacular. As far as the digitizer itself, I don't have any complaints and am very happy with the quality. It is installed on an iPad used by my 5-year-old and is holding up very well after a couple months of use. It registers touches accurately and operates as well as OE. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.